Soft spots on deck letting you down? Has moisture been discovered in your boat or RV's fiberglass laminate? We have a simple solution to repair it without breaking the bank. Injectadeck is a cost-effective solution for repairing soft spots in boat decks and RVs caused by water or termite damage. It's a water catalytic closed cell, polyurethane foam injected into decks and fiberglass laminates, whose core has been eaten away or rotted, leaving behind voids and soft areas. Use pencils to outline the affected areas and mark up a hole pattern 10 to 12 inches apart, staggered. X marks the spot. Add up your square footage, estimating 4 square feet per cartridge. Decide the quantity of cartridges your project requires and place your order. At each of your marked X drill points, install a piece of tape. Injectadeck stains yellow, and to avoid that, masking and protecting drip areas is key. Using a number 10 drill bit, drill through your tape marked drill points in the pattern. When injecting in your number 10 drill holes, trust the product to expand 6 times its volume. A few pumps on the gun and move on to the next hole. Don't let the product come right back out the drill hole. Use a gloved finger or a pencil in the hole to force Injectadeck to find another path for 20 seconds or more. Then uncap the hole, allowing excess pressure and product to form into a ball at the drill site. Fill all of your holes and apply light pressure if any bulging occurs to flatten the foam before it cures. After 30 minutes, you may remove the foam balls that have formed and the masking tape. Walk the deck looking for any soft spots that did not get filled, and mark these new drill points with a pencil, repeating the process. Once finished, remove the drill bit from the drill and, using your fingers, drill down into the injection site foam just enough to create a reservoir for the epoxy plug. Use 3M4000 or your favorite white epoxy. Injectadeck is a 12-pound structural foam designed for damp and wet environments. If the area is bone dry, simply use a plant mister to add moisture to each drill hole. It works well in boat and RV walls, stringers, gunnels, hatches, and portholes. Its toughness allows it to bed fuel and water tanks, protecting the surrounding area during rough use. Installed in a 1980 Mako boat for 10 years, it remains effective. It's a cost-effective solution to avoid putting an $8,000 floor in a $5,000 hull, letting you get back on the water in just a few hours.